Hindustani Bhau. Most of you know him as a social worker. But to be honest, I've seen a side of him in recent times which I never knew existed. For example, let me just tell you, Hindustani Bhau has done a lot of stuff for his country, and he has saved his country by talking smack about the people who say something against it, which is fine. Everybody is entitled to their opinion and he is entitled to his, which he is able to speak. Now, ever since this case started, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj case, I saw a different side of Bhau coming out. You see, before there wasn't a lot of people who used to retaliate to him, who used to talk about him, who used to say that whatever his way of language is or way of speaking is or whatever he says is absolute crap. But majority of the population used to be in support of him. So people used to be like, yes sir, आप इन लोगों की गांड मारो, yes sir, आप उनकी माँ चोदो, ये वो, etc, any kind of abuses they could think of, because obviously Bhau's language is like that. Now when he started finally getting some kind of hate because he took a stand in the wrong point, which was the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj incident, where the girl wasn't exactly to blame since she didn't make a joke about the idol but about the people who were talking about the idol. But anyway, you can see this video right here to get into more detail about it. And then Hindustani Bhau showed an insecure side. Now a person who is a social worker, who acts all fearless, who is not afraid of anybody, he can fight anybody who ever says anything against his country or him even, that guy is insecure. This guy, what he does is he starts boasting about his accomplishment. He posts a video where he states openly that he supports Shubham Mishra, who is the guy who threatened the girl with rape. Sir, अगर आपके अंदर थोड़ा भी दिमाग है ना, आपको ये चीज़ करनी ही नहीं चाहिए थी. Even if I think of it from a political standpoint, where if he wants to save himself and not the others, you shouldn't have done this. Because if you are openly admitting to supporting some guy who is openly threatening a girl that he'll rape her, that doesn't look good on you, no matter how much good you have done for the country. Second of all, Bhau here does not even listen to anybody. He does not admit that he is at fault. All he does is boast about his accomplishment and tells the people, what have you done for the country? Because obviously if you haven't done anything for the country, you cannot raise a voice on anybody. No matter how good they do, no matter how wrong they do. आप इस लॉजिक से कैसे चल सकते हो कि जस्ट बिकॉज आपने एक चीज अच्छी कर ली तो लोग आपको दूसरी चीज के लिए क्रिटिसाइज नहीं कर सकते जहां पर आप गलत हो? व्हाट इज दिस फक्ड अप लॉजिक? आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड. सो व्हाट आई डिड naturally was comment on his video that whatever I felt about him being right or wrong or whatever. So I wrote a long text and in that I wrote that, sir, मुझे लगता है कि आप जो पुराने स्टैंड लिए वो सही है and you should keep on doing it. Here you were wrong because the girl wasn't to blame and yet you still started saying shit about her even though you haven't seen the video, because if you had actually seen the video you would have known that she didn't say anything about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Now that comment, I won't say exactly blew up, but got a lot of people's attention because it had, the last time I checked, it had around 360 likes. And then while most of the people in the reply section actually supported what I said, there were some of the Bhau Bhakts, I would say, who started abusing me as always. Somebody said तेरी माँ चोद दूंगा, somebody said तू चूतिया है. Even though I respected Bhau, I always called him आप, and somebody in the reply section also stated that, and they were fighting for me with these commenters who tried to make me feel bad about being vocal about this shit. But whatever, it doesn't hurt me because people who already have made an opinion about me can keep it as well. I don't give a shit. But it also caught attention of Hindustani Bhau. Now why would I think that? I'll tell you why. Because then he posts another Insta TV post where he says he is not going to take a stand for anything ever. Now he wants us to take a stand because he is done with everything. People are blaming him and he go. Sir, itni क्या insecurity दी भाई? This is like an Insta teen girl who gets 2-3 comments of people exposing her and then out of nowhere she just deletes the post or deletes the comment. And then when he posted this video of him saying that I'm never going to make any video again, I'm done with all this, because obviously it's all crap. Let me tell you, from a business standpoint, Hindustani Bhau got famous and got into Bigg Boss because of the way he commented, because of the way he spoke. That is the only reason he got famous. Obviously he took actions and whatever and he did social work and everything. That set aside, the main was his style of talking because people held on to that. Okay, So that is why. Now the person who has made his whole business empire based on the way he talks, do you really think he would leave that? So I posted another comment, and this time I actually kind of supported Hindustani Bhau, because the thing I said in that comment was that everything good Bhau does is actually a nice initiative, but he should do that for himself, not for everybody around him or everybody appreciating him. He should do it because he wants to do it, right? So that's what I wrote. And then I wrote that even though I thought that Bhau was wrong in this case with the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj controversy, the other things he has done in the past cannot be ignored, and he should be appreciated for that as well. So he should continue the good work. Now Hindustani Bhau must have seen my comment, and he just blatantly decided, just as he decided with Agrima Joshua's video, that my comment was to criticize him. And guess what he did? Hindustani Bhau deleted my comment. A moment of silence. How can you be so damn insecure of some random person on the internet while you are acting so fearless and you're acting like a social cause worker who's going to stand up to everybody, and you're deleting comments who are actually even praising you? Like, calm down for a second, sir. हर कोई आपकी बेइज्जती मारने नहीं निकला. Granted कि most of the people are like, please get off the platform. People were happy. But anyway, now I knew that Hindustani Bhau would come back again. He would do an epic comeback. Like he just got resurrected, like, you know, when Undertaker just resurrected in WWE, he just rose up from the coffin. I definitely knew Hindustani Bhau would do something like that. And guess what? A few days later, Hindustani Bhau comes up with a post and a story saying what? That he's still going to take a stand. Everybody, please applause everybody. And then he said कि any of my haters, basically in simple terms he said, any of my haters, तुम जो भी हो, तुम सबकी गांड मार दूंगा, I don't give a shit, I'm going to take a stand for my country, etc, etc. So I was like, okay, good, fine. So I thought I'll just comment again because I was curious as to if my comment got deleted or it just got washed out. So I commented and I wrote कि sir ठीक है, आपको जो स्टैंड लेना है ले लो, बट सर सही जगह स्टैंड लेना है इस बारी. डोंट मेक द सेम मिस्टेक्स यू मेड इन द पास्ट विद द जोशुआ इंसिडेंट. Guess what? That comment got deleted as well. Finally, this guy, I'll post a screenshot here. This guy wrote that the Sasta Sanjay Dutt is back. And Hindustani Bhau literally said, I cannot believe Hindustani Bhau was the one who wrote that. The one who stands up for women. The one who is a social worker. The one who is like a lord and savior of everybody. He wrote, तेरी माँ के साथ मेरी एक फिल्म है, भेज दूं. वाओ सर, भाऊ सर, आप तो बहुत राइट ट्रैक पे हो. मतलब इतने घिनौने कैसे हो सकते हो सर आप कमेंट सेक्शन में? यू आर सच अ ह्यूज सेलिब्रिटी एंड यू हैव गेन्ड ऑल दिस पॉपुलैरिटी. तुम्हारे अंदर इतना दिमाग नहीं आया कि लोगों को रिस्पॉन्ड कैसे करना होता है. लर्न टू टेक क्रिटिसिज्म मैन. इतना कौन करता है? और उसकी सीधा मॉम पे चले गए, आप अपने सोचा भी नहीं. और ये तो मतलब लिटरली आई हैव सीन 6th graders or 7th graders come up with this shit, the kind of shit Bhau wrote. So when I saw that my comment got deleted, because of course there weren't many comments to go through, so I realized that my comment was instantly deleted. Then I commented again, stating, actually kind of roasting him on the fact that how can he be so insecure. And I personally feel that Hindustani Bhau is a glass cannon. Why do I say that? Because he can talk and boast a lot, and he can say that he is fearless and he can fight anybody who comes up in front of him and actually desh ki besti karega and whatever. But at the same time, if some normal random 150 subscriber YouTuber actually comments on his comment section stating that dude, just take a right stand, he gets so insecure, and that destroys his ego so much that he has to delete the comment, which was bizarre to me. Like literally your post says that मैं अपनी haters की गांड मारूंगा, and at the same time you're like no please don't say anything about me, please I cannot handle it. like भाऊ चल क्या रहा है bro, क्या चल रहा है? तेरे को stand लेना है या नहीं लेना, तू मुझे बता दे. Now I'll talk in a way you might understand. तो भाऊ देख, तूने मेरे comment तो हटा दिए, लेकिन मैं तो बोलने से रुकने नहीं वाला. तो अब तुझे बात करनी थी, मेरे को मैसेज देना था, तो मैं दूंगा. ठीक है भाऊ, तो अब तू मेरी बात सुन. तुझे स्टैंड लेना है ले, नहीं लेना ना ले. तू सही बात पे स्टैंड ले, तेरा भाई तेरे सपोर्ट में. बट अगर तू गलत चीज़ पे स्टैंड लेगा, तेरा भाई ही तेरी गांड मारेगा. ठीक है भाऊ? और उसके बारे में आप ना टेक्निकली कुछ कर नहीं सकते, क्योंकि ये है सोशल मीडिया. पीपल कैन बी वोकल अबाउट इट. तो तू जो भी करना है कर भाऊ, मैं यहाँ से बैठ के देख रहा हूँ और जब तू पलटी मारेगा तेरा भाई यहीं से घुमाएगा। अब ये जो तूने हरकत कर दी, तूने मेरे कमेंट डिलीट कर दिए, तूने उस लड़के को बोला कि उसकी माँ के साथ तेरी फिल्म है, पहली फुर्सत में निकल जा, ठीक है। देश को ना ऐसे लोगों की ज़रूरत नहीं है जो सेलिब्रिटी बन के दूसरे लोगों की माँओं के बारे में कह रहे हैं। क्रिटिसिज्म ले सकता है तो ले, और नहीं ले सकता तो भाई अपना काम करना ही है। इंस्टाग्राम पे क्यों बनाया हुआ है? तेरे को तो पैसों से कुछ फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता, तेरे को यूट्यूब से क्या है? ये सब ना भी हो, तू तो अपना स्टैंड ले ही सकता है। देन जस्ट टेक योर स्टैंड मैन, अपना काम से काम रख और दूसरों को अपना काम से काम रखने दे। इतनी दिक्कत है, इतनी दिक्कत हो रही है, तेरे को कॉमेंट हटाना पड़ रहा है, ये करना पड़ रहा है, वो करना पड़ रहा है, तो छोड़ देना भाई। तेरे को क्या दिक्कत है? तेरे को थोड़ी ना फ़र्क पड़ता है इन चीज़ों से, तूने तो ओपनली स्टेट करा हुआ है तेरे को इन चीज़ों से फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। तू दिखा ना, दिखा तू, और जो करना है ना अपनी मर्जी से कर, मेरे कहने से कुछ मत करियो। और ट्रस्ट मी सर, आप ये वीडियो तो डिलीट नहीं कर सकते। सो डू व्हाट यू वांट टू, आई हैव सेंड माय मैसेज, मोर पावर टू यू। देश की रखवाली करो एंड आई विल सी यू लेटर। एंड एज ऑलवेज, जय हिंद।